little lab where the jingle bells ring. Elves mix colors, twist gears, ting 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 ting. They build merry toys for girls and boys, using hearts full of kindness and holiday joy. Santa's little science lab, come and look inside. We test, we try, we learn, oh my, with kindness as our guide. Spin the gears, light the stars, make the reindeer zoom. Trying, learning, helping friends makes magic fill the room. Elf Penny pours a potion, fizz, pop, hooray. Glitter flies up, then twinkles away. Elf Benny draws a blueprint of a rocket made of snow. They giggle when it wiggles and they give it one more go. Santa's little science lab, come and take a peek. We measure, build, and test again every day this week. Spin the gears, light the stars, make the sleigh zoom fast. Trying, learning, helping friends makes magic that will last. When something goes wrong, elves clap and cheer. Let's try again, we're getting near. They screw in buttons, paint bright wheels. Curiosity helps fix how it feels. Robo Teddy dances, penguin toys sing. Candy cane circuits go zing, zing, zing. Santa smiles proudly and gives a happy clap. You turn science into kindness in my little workshop lab. Santa's little science lab, full of twinkling light. Helping hands and learning minds make every toy just right. Spin the gears, light the stars, dreams are coming true. Trying, learning, helping friends, kids can be scientists.